In this video, I'll show you guys how to import reviews from Amazon onto Shopify in 2025. Before we get started, please watch to the end so you don't miss any steps. First thing you want to do is click on Shopify App Store, and once you're there, you'll have to search up Amazon review. Once you're here, click on the bottom on the first row, and now click install. Once you're here, click install again. And now it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you for your language. Just choose your language that you speak and click add. Alright, once you're here, make sure end blocks is turned on and click save. Alright, once you're at the home page, click add apps again. Now go down and click Shopify App Store. Then go search up the same app that you downloaded, which is Amazon Review. Now click it. Then click open. You can click add reviews. And Amazon is going to charge you $7 per month, but I think it's totally worth it. Once you click buy, it's going to bring you to this subscription page. All you have to do is just enter your credit card info and you'll be all set.